March 21st, Fenty Beauty released a few more items to roll out the rest of their summer 2018 collection called Beach Please. Now, I went to my local Sephora to swatch everything, so I took some footage to show you, and then I'll tell you what I picked up. Let's first start off with the Kilowatt Duels. Those retail for $36 each, and I believe that's the same price as their existing split pans in the collection, of course. Now, the finish for this particular Kilowatts is described as a hyper metallic finish. So of course to glow on your face and on your eyes. Next up is called Island Bling. It's the 2-in-1 liquid eye shimmers. They retail for $26. They are described as a hypnotic brilliance, insane shimmer with a lot of glitter effects. And last we have the Iridescent Trio Lip Toppers, and it's in 2 color sets. So we have a Summer Daze and a Summer Nights. So 6 total and 2 different sets depending on what is your color preference. I already knew that I was going to pick up one of the Killawatt split duos. The one I chose is the color set that I am most drawn to, and I knew it would look so pretty as eyeshadow, and it's the Mimosa Sunrise with Sangria Sunset. I am drawn to the color of the beautiful orangey yellow of the sun right there, and then of course that beautiful purple. Moving forward, I'm just going to kind of focus the purple on my eyes because it looks so beautiful, and then use the orange shade in multiple ways, cheeks, and of course on my eyes. The other colors in the Kilowatt, even though I think they look beautiful on my arm and my skin tone, they weren't just calling at me, and I want to make sure that I'm picking something that I know that I'm going to use, not just grabbing something because I want to stare at it. I want to make sure that I can actually use it. So I did pass on the other 2 compacts. I also passed on the Island Bling, which is the 2-in-1, the dual in pencils. First off, I actually don't like when there's 2 products on the side. I don't know. I'm weird like that. Now, I like brushes that are dual ended because I can flip it around, but for this product, I don't know. I wasn't attracted to the actual packaging of it. And also, they look gorgeous on my arm. The colors are beautiful. But I also have my liquid eye products that I already have for 2018, and I really want to use those. Again, I don't want to be drawn into the colors, even though they're so beautiful. But I know that I already kind of dislike that whole dual-ended side of the stick, and I just said no. I'm probably not going to use it. So I left that on the shelf. Then last is the lip toppers. Now this is another area where I feel, okay, the colors are beautiful, especially Snakebite. Let me actually look at the picture, because Snakebite, oh, that one was calling me. What's it called? Snake skin. Oh, snake skin. Oh, it looks just like a snake. Just like a beautiful snake skin. I mean, they named it perfectly. Beautiful, just calling me. I can just see it on my lips. But then I said, how often are you gonna wear that? I'm gonna stare at it. I'm gonna stare at it again. So I did back off. But if you're somebody that really loves lip toppers, these look beautiful. The formula, just going by what's on my arm, just kind of going by trying to remove it. First off, it left a lot of glitter still on my arm, which, I mean, you're going to expect that if you're going to use any type of metallic, any type of glitter product, but it looked opaque, like the colors are swirling in it, and it doesn't look like large glitter chunks inside the formula. It just looks like it's subdued, like it would just kind of glide on. I don't try the lip products or any of the eye stuff from the testers because I'm just, sanitary reasons, I'm just frightened of that, but they look nice on my arm. Beautiful shades. So that's it. I just picked up 1 item and I am very proud of myself. I went in knowing, pick something that you're going to use, but I wanted to at least shoot some footage so that you can see what the products are, see what the colors look like, you know, kind of with my skin tone as well. And hopefully it might help you decide what you would like to pick up, or just sit, watch, and drool over all the pretty colors. So that's it. If there's anything I might have left out, please leave them down as comments in the comment section down and I will get back to you. Thank you very much for stopping by and watching. Have a wonderful day or evening, And as always, I'm going to see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.